Good morning, everyone. So today we will be learning a new topic. Previously, we learned about, anyone remember? Marine biology. What did you learn about marine biology? Sorry? Echolocation. Can you please tell me again the meaning? The definition of the word. Communication is used by animal vibrating somewhere or vibration. Underwater. Exactly. Thank you, Shelby, Arisa, and Wise. Consequently, today we'll be learning about solar energy. So, for solar energy, we start with the left picture, the first picture. So, the sun produces sun ray, cahaya matahari, sinaran matahari. Sun ray will be absorbed by solar panel. Solar panel is basically silicon. Silicon is semi-conductive. Dia boleh semi-conductive means the energy can be transferred. The energy boleh lalu. Dia tidak halang. Make sense? Okay. Alright. So sun ray will be absorbed by silicon or solar panel, and then Nias asked me just now, what are these smileys? These smileys are basically the energy being vibrated. So when this energy are being vibrated, they are producing energy, changing energy, which we call them as conversion from sun ray into electric current. Okay, and then when they are finished vibrating, imagine yourself you are DJ, kamu bersukan, kamu berlari, main bola. Bila kamu sudah habis main, habis bersukan, kamu akan bertenang, become down. All those energy will be distributed to a pipe. Imagine water pipe. Air mengalir melalui pipe. Okay? But in this case, the energy is flowing through wire or cable. And then for the first stage, from cable, the energy will be distributed to our infrastructure, solar panel. Infrastructure that power the fan, power the air condition, solar light, because our school also have at the entrance. Alright, so this is basically the solar energy. For now, for this lesson, you will be tasked with reading and writing lesson. Its primary is reading. You'll be given a sheet kamu akan dapat kertas kerja as usual, which you will get all the words that you need to be used in the activity. And then from those words, from those vocabulary, you will use it to produce videos of writing activity. To summarize, you need to at least remember what I said just now, to use the 3 specific details into your writing activity. 3 specific details on how solar energy are being used. Okay. Likewise, yes. Fellowship 1% each. What? Any level from the middle and right side. Level lebih kertas lebihan. Kita ada dua paper. Ada lebih. Tiga orang tu je. Sugar. Yang ini, yang belum sugar. Cuma ada. Ini dah. So ada dua lebih, tiga. Ada yang ada tiga di mana dia. Dua Tasnim, satu Syafia. Tasnim kan? Tasnim, oleh bola tu. That's why different. Tasnim, okay, Tasnim. Di kenalan. Okay. Elements, kita lihat. Let's talk about this worksheet. The right side is the activity. Exercise. There are two exercises. Exercise 1 and 2. Exercise 1, you need to read the reading text. 2 paragraphs. And then you need to answer for exercise 1. For exercise 2, is the second learning objective. The keywords are written expression that I mentioned just now. Now, on the left side, I gave you the explanation, written explanation of how solar energy works. It means photovoltaic cells. That's what this process being called. Okay, photovoltaic cells. Photo means light, voltaic means electric current. So from light to electric. Got it? Got it. Got it. Talking about okay. And then at the left side there are 10 words. So these words can be read from starting from number 6. Photovoltaic, that's the words, the high vocabulary word, and the chapter sentence. Can we read it together? Okay. Yeah. Can you please read number 6? Read number 6. Yeah.
Hello. Hi.
Yeah, come on.
Photovoltaic cells are specific parts of a solar panel that turn light into electricity.
Okay, thank you.
6, 7.
No. Chappy, can you read number 7? The sun will not run out, so solar energy is known as a renewable resource. Here, can you read number 8? Conversion. The conversion of sunlight into electricity happens instantly inside a solar cell. Number 9.
Sustainability. Switching to solar power is a great step towards long-term environmental sustainability.
Thank you.
Properties. Scientists must understand the physical properties of light to build efficient solar panels.
All right, good job. Good job from speaker. Okay, so I skip to number 6 because those are the high vocabulary words that you need to use. I believe from number 1 to number 5 is easy, right, for you guys? Yes. As of now, do you have any questions? No questions? You looking forward to the activity? Okay. Yes. Okay. Wait. So just to be clear, I repeat the task, okay? So for this lesson, it is a writing, it's a reading primarily and then writing. So you need to read the passage and use the vocab that I gave you with the sample sentences in your written word. Written word is your second learning objective for this lesson. So it is the second exercise. I skip exercise 1, yeah. So for the second exercise, I want you to imagine yourself as a scientist. Okay. Yes, scientist. You remember the plastic waste product that we have done before? You design plastic waste product, like Nia's designed the facial mask plastic. Remember? No, facial mask. Facial surgical mask, but that plastic design. Some of you mentioned about smartphone cover, plastic design. Remember? It's similar to that. But for today, I want you to design something that basically applies or use solar energy. You can be as heavy as you want. Sorry? I will say. Okay, so that's the task. Nia's house is it pet or individual or group work? As you have known my approach, every acara, if you want to do it individually, can. If you want to work with a partner, can. If you want to do it as a group, can. But for group, I want everyone to contribute to the written activity. Okay. So is it fair if I ask for a group to produce 80 words instead of 50? 80. Kalau individu dan pair, 50 words. Ingat 80, is it fair? Boleh? Coba ulang lagi kan? Oke? Kalau individu ataupun berdua, 50 words written. Ya, 50 kata-kata. Tapi kalau group, is it fair? Bolehkah saya minta 80 kata-kata? Sedikit ya. Ya, sedikit ya. Cuma metode. Ya, but the foundation is, I want you to have your intention. Okay? Have your intention. I want you to explain how does the machine or gadget function. You remember the 5 whys and 1 aspect, the narrative mention? What? What? Why? Where? When? How? When? Who? 5 whys, 1 aspect. So you use that to basically write or prepare your invention. Okay? And then I want you to at least use 2 highlighted or bolded words from the reading passage. From the such as renewable, conversion, sustainability, and etc. Okay. So far, any questions? No? Everyone excited? Okay, boys. Are you excited? Yes? Or not? Okay. Alright. Without further ado, let's proceed to the activity. Exercise 1 and exercise 2. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Instruction. Exercise 2. Okay, keywords. You can prepare your work in your book or in the back of your book. It's better for you to write in book. That's okay. Any questions? Sure. You can name your invention. Session is basically what each of them for today, for today's lesson. It's like, which one? Okay. Legit. Yeah, except you do not need to write this. You can use this similar technique that we used before. You can, but you can just straight away write your own invention after the which one? The second. Oh no, not this. Something like this lah. Yeah. Boleh? Kalau kasut boleh? How does it work? How does it work? It's all issues. shoes with rollers. Okay? And yeah. Yeah. English, English. Real world. You guys doing good? You guys doing good? Boleh? Yeah. Who do that first? Give me your idea. Okay, thank you. But for today, we want this one. Boleh? Yeah, Rihanna. You can draw your gadget, you can write the back or in your size book to help you visualize your machine or gadget. No, no need. No need. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. It's a really good one. Really fast. What? What energy saya? Apa ya?
What's the purpose of the machine? What's the purpose of the machine to do it? What's the purpose of it?
The purpose of the machine. This purpose to do how it looks. Yeah, this will work. Yeah. No, you do not need to draw, but if you want, in order to help you to visualize, what you is supaya kamu nampak kamu punya invention, how it works, how it functions. Macam mana rupanya? So it's easy for you to write down to help you understand your own machine or gadget. Yeah. Huh? You can invent, you can work. Anything. Creativity. You can invent something new. Yeah. That's me. What's your product? Boleh? Ada solar kasut? Boleh? Yeah. 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 In the beginning, this specific, I want you to read how solar energy are being used. So they say solar shoes, solar to do. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, guys, some of you propose a very interesting idea. Actually, two ideas. Solar shoes or solar gedung. Gedung solar. Okay? Solar shoes. Okay? So that's the invention. But I want you to explain how it works. This is the three specific details that you need to recall, remember from the process and apply into your writing. You can make it. You can write invent anything as long as you explain how it looks. Boleh? Kalau sabar. Ya. Boleh. Iya, Pasha. Pasha. Yes, if we have the community of present to the front. Yeah. At least two. Use the continuing group, you can speak up. Explain how it works, its function, its significance. The benefit of the invention. Yeah. You know what you can write as well. And apply into your writing. Allow me to go through it. Please continue your work. Capital is still B. Okay. Husband, yeah. Be creative with the name of your own invention because it's your own. Yeah, it's your own. Yeah, but you need to explain why you chose the name. Oh. Yeah. Yes. Come on, boys. Come on.
Kenapa? Apa? Yeah, because it's recorded. It's recorded.
Your handsome friends. Yeah. Finish the work. How do you want to? What's that? Begin their work. Okay? Don't pay attention. This is how they did their work. Macam gitu, sepeda dia lebih tinggi. Jangan begitu.
The sun's brightness continues as the renewable power source. The sun's brightness can be used as a renewable power source for the use of solar panels. The solar panel does it by using photovoltaic cells to make use of solar panels properties to under the conversion, turn it into electricity. By using a small or strong solar panel to make a small solar powered panel. By putting a small solar panel on top of a small box and you attach the solar panel to a small fan using wires, and by doing so, you have a small and easy to carry solar powered fan that is environmental friendly.
Very good. What are the two words the high bucket highlighted on the words that you use?
We use the photovoltaic properties, renewable, we use
Good job. Thank you, Alena. Yes. That's how you did it. Okay? I mean, they did it. You guys haven't lah. There's something happened. Shall we? Already done. Little more. Okay. One more. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, use three. Use three more. Okay. Cinta walaupun dari sana. Rajin, very diligent. Oh.
Your own idea. Invent something that's new. Okay, the first and main objective is specific key details from the process, the photovoltaic cells. Yeah, how the solar energy being converted into electricity, electric current. Yeah.
Oh my God. No, that's hard. Yeah.
Okay.
Individually. Individually. Yes. Okay. Go on, okay. There you go. Yes. We have here, then this invention.
Okay, my invention is called portable solar panel, or PSP for short.
PSP. Okay.
The way my technology named portable solar panel works is the solar panel will absorb the photon from the sun. The photon from the sun is absorbed and turned into photovoltaic cells. After that, it will travel throughout the entire portable solar panel and charge the batteries. The batteries charges the solar panel, making it impossible to die. The portable solar panel has a charging block that can be de-attached into another charging block shape. Jadi, kalau kamu pergi kedai, lepas tu macam lain, kamu boleh takut, terus kamu tukar, kamu pasang, gitu lah. Kamu faham dah lah.
Yeah, where's the Melayu? To make you guys understand.
Besides that, the PSP is small, making it easy to carry with you. So if you're going on a hike or something, you can just charge your phone. The way you charge your phone is with this thing. Okay, that's it.
Any questions? Any questions for us? Okay. Thank you. Very good job. Yeah, okay, come on. Come on, Zoe, Shelby, Aisa, Balkis, Damia, Tahana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Basically, 6 students with I who were not as clean as him. Sorry, my God. As him, okay, 7, 6, 7, okay, come on.
Okay, so this was written by me and some of the ideas left. So.
Okay lah.
My team and I invented the solar powered car. We named it Wenya car. Wenya. We chose the name because the car is way too expensive for people to purchase. How does this car work? This car works by photovoltaic cells. These cells works through a process called conversion. Conversion is when
Okay, conversion. This one.
conversion is where sunlight turns into electricity, which happens instantly inside the solar cells. What are the benefits of this car? This car is a vital part of global sustainability because it can reduce air pollution. Other than that, drivers won't have to spend money on gas because it relies on solar energy.
Show me the again about 123 words. I asked them to read, but they managed to give me 120 words. Okay, just to show you out there again. Okay. Okay, my question. How many hypotheticals? Three? One alphabet? One version? That's like ability. Okay. Any question from the rest? No? Okay. Huh? Tidak. Tidak gambar. Tidak gambar. Okay. Okay, siap. Okay. Thank you, Jamil, again. Yes. All right. Thank you. Very good job. Very good job. Can we have one more? One more presenter. Sino po sir? Bisa niyo po? All of you. Sino? Sino? Ay, kumihan siya. Diba? It's okay. I ask us now, think that anything. Use your own creativity. Or you are thinking that anything. Okay? Alright.
So basically, my invention is RoboPet. So RoboPet.
Okay.
So RoboPet works as a companion for humans. It comes in many shapes. It comes in many shapes. For example, the retail shown above. RoboPet can be used as an emotional support for humans, or it can be used for methods. It works just like Pokemon, but it's just in machine type, later with the robot app. So it does not need oil or electricity to power on. It just needs under the sun to charge. It just needs the sun to using photovoltaic cells. It captures the energy the sun produces, and it's often placed behind the robot or on top of the robot. So, RoboPet is not for it's mostly rich people use them, but yes, it's very expensive. It's divided to three categories. The first method, when I would like to explain that RoboPet, most of the RoboPets are wrapped in animal-like skin. So there are three categories. The first is method, which is the only category that isn't wrapped in animal-like skin. Second, magic. RoboPet is given the ability to release long-range attacks like shockwaves on the sofa. Lastly, the tank pad with the Second, magic. The RoboPet is given the ability to release long-range attacks like shockwaves and so on. Let's give the playing card of that right now.
How many hypotheticals you use in your own writing? Okay. What could I do? good idea because you propose program similar to Pokemon. I use Pokemon. Yeah. She said it's very expensive. Okay. Hello, my friends. I pretended they are excited. They are ready to work. Again, you want present. Present. Yeah, you finish, huh? Okay. Ready finish. Ready last. Ready present. Ready present. Sini lah. Amin. Kuat. Kuat. Biasa kalau you termenung. Oh, wow.
How to have support? Okay.
So we have the new technology that we create. The name of my invention is mini solar fan. The mini solar fan. The mini solar fan works like a normal fan, but it can be changed by solar energy from the sun because this fan has height cells on it. The mini fan has when charged, it can be charged every day by solar energy, which is the renewable energy. Lastly, it is environmental friendly and can reduce the use of electricity.
So basically, you use this tank. You get the sun, then they are being charged, and then they are being powered. The fans are being powered. True? Is that correct? Okay, so you use the tank. Thank you. And what are the output? Photovoltaic. Renewable. Okay, thank you. Good job, Ariel.
Can we do a simple check for set one? What's the answer for number one? What is the specific name of the cells used to capture solar energy? Photovoltaic. Any review? So what's the deal? Photovoltaic? Yes. Number two, according to the text, where are the solar panels commonly found?
On the roof of houses and schools.
On the roof, okay. Any other? Oh, okay. Number three, why is solar energy considered a clean technology? Because it turns energy without polluting the air or water.
All right.
Okay, I believe all of you got the lesson correctly. You managed to use recall to remember and apply the specific details from the photovoltaic cells or how current photons are being converted into electric current. So very good job. You managed to pass for the negative one, and you managed to produce 50 words and a half. I given everybody 69 words. Shall we indicate 153 words? So more than 50 words. Very good job. Altogether, you use 2 and more. I asked for at least 2, but you gave me 2 and more. So very well done. Thank you. Okay. May I ask, what do we look today? Solar panel, solar energy. What else? Thank you.
Come on, Sadie, speak up.
They learn about high vocabulary words like proportion, sustainability, properties, renewable, photovoltaic.
Anything else? What do you learn?
Wais.
Wait.
Banyak banget ya, Bapak.
What do you learn? What else? High vocabulary, solar energy. What else? Anyone? Anyone? Okay. So, resumes this for today is to be creative, to use your critical thinking skills, your thinking skills in inventing, in being an imaginary scientist, an inventor, to invent, to create, to develop something new using a technology which is solar energy. That's what children. Okay? So very good job. We have done our lessons before we dismiss before we dismiss the class. Any questions? Any final questions? Any doubt? Sorry, what? Oh, we're running out of time. But you can send video if you want. Okay. Yeah, any questions? Answer, doubts? No? All good? Got it? Got it? One more. Got it? All right. Thank you, class. I think that's all.